while drinking beer. Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Papunta kami ng shop today doon sa pinagbilan namin ng Christmas tree kasi bibili kami ng pang-grill sa Christmas kasi nga gusto barbecue ng asawa ni Leslie. So ngayon bibili kami. Mag-check lang kami kung meron doon. And mag-grocery din kami mamaya. After
Yeah.
And sobrang foggy ngayon, guys. Ang lamig sa labas. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Look how foggy, guys. Sobrang lamig sa labas. 4 degrees yung weather today. Ayan, halos wala ka na makita. Grabe. Winter na talaga. Malapit na kami, by the way. Doon lang yung shop. We're here, guys. Babe, smoke check. It's not visible here. Again. Show them. Dito na kami sa Praxis. Oh, wala na silang Christmas tree. Babe.
Everything's sold out.
Yeah.
We're on
Because it's almost Christmas.
And I thought we should actually check the water if we have still.
What?
Like, how do you say that? In that thing.
Oh.
Right out.
Let's go downstairs. It's so cold.
Mhm.
So cold.
Yeah, it was cold, right?
Dito sa practice, puro mga sa bahay. Ganyan, oh. Tignan nyo, nasa taas yung bathtub nila. Ayan, mirror. Titingin-tingin lang kami dito. Mga plywood. Magtitingin daw siya ng sa shower kasi gusto niyang palitan. Kasi yung shower namin doon, guys, hindi na maganda. Matagal na ata yun. How much? 500. Oh my god. Ang mahal, guys. They also have here shower. Like here.
Yeah, like this is good.
Yeah. This one, 180. But only one shower.
Yeah, well, I need
So, like this. Buy like this and add. This one is for video. No. Also.
I'll just order this one.
Hindi niya alam kung ano yung kailangan niya. Dito kami sa yung bukasan ng shower. This one is for kitchen. Let's find grill. Babe. Let's find grill. May nakita na kami pang grill dito. Ayan, naka 50% sila. From 99 to 49. Pero may nahanap kasi yung asawa ko sa Decathlon.
Buy
20 euros lang dun, guys. So, maybe we need like this, oh. Ang sa barbecue. We can buy like this.
No, it's need heat. Need what we're gonna do.
After, you're gonna put here. Even for our food. You can put.
In Decathlon, we can buy everything.
Okay.
So let's check.
Let's buy in Decathlon na lang. So, let's go.
After to put the food, we can put in the pants we have. You can put in the place or pants we have.
I would prefer that. So, mag-grocery muna kami bago kami punta sa Decathlon. Kasi nandito na din yung pinag-groceryhan namin. Here is busy. Ang dami.
Yeah, before Christmas always busy. Saturday as well.
Magbebenta pala kami ng bote ngayon kasi sobrang dami na, guys. Ayan o. Dalawang bag. Tapos ito, napakalaki niyan.
All yours.
Yeah.
Here's mine, but that's it.
Let's go. Yan.
Ja, dan wel 5 uur later.
How much na? 75 cents. 1 euro. I think it's gonna be 15 euros. Babe. Naka 10 euros kami sa bottle. Not bad. Akala ko makaka 15 kami. Hindi pala. So, babe. Do a grocery. Kuha tayo ng mandarin. Kasi fresh pa. Magluluto daw siya ng pasta mamaya.
Blue cheese.
Blue cheese? Nothing. Sobrang daming tao ngayon dito sa shop. And palubat na din yung camera ko, guys. Nakalimutan ko i-charge kanina. Ang asawa ko, guys. Oh! So many bread. Where? Where did you left? Fresh bread. Did you take the bread that I want?
That was exactly what she asked.
Wow! Ang sarap nito, guys. Go. Act is life.
3? It's until 8 January, so 10 days we can buy. I think you like more full.
Full now. With the cream, whipped cream is only 92 cents.
No, that one.
Huh?
It's like 148.
1.4. Ah, this
Yeah,
one.
that one.
It's more cheap. Yogurt for me.
I like the most with the honey.
Tissue is life. Tissue niya sa puwet.
3 layers.
Tapos na kami, guys. Punta na kami sa Decathlon.
This is the smartest thing to do. What do you think?
Yeah. Let's go na inside kasi ang lamig na.
Coffee?
Yeah. Let's go to Decathlon.
Or wash car?
Wash? Maybe.
Huh?
It's up to you. Papaka-wash mo na daw siya.
I mean the car, the temperature is pretty good in the car. I mean it's pretty cold there in the back. I think it's 5 degrees or something.
Let's wash the car. Ang dami kong bubble gum dito. Pinili ko lang yung mga watermelon.
Imagine for all that we paid 30 euros. In Alberheim we buy what we do?
We paid 30 for
3 packets of some little things.
Nandito lang yung car wash. Malapit sa grocery shop. Ayan o. It's car wash time.
this. Oh yeah, they have.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do. For 6 minutes, €1.
Ibabacuum niya yung ano guys, carpet. Hindi na masyadong foggy ngayon. Ayun na, nakikita na yung mga ano, paligid. Kanina hindi mo talaga makikita. Usok check guys. Nakita niyo na ba? Sobrang lamig.
Yeah, this is for you.
Oh,
Enjoy. It's so big in this room.
Huh?
So big, you see mine and your side.
tignan nyo kung gaano kadumi yung sasakyan. Puro tayo ng ano, ibon. Laging tinataihan ng ibon tong ano namin. Kasi ang daming ibon down guys sa bahay. Ano? Meron pa doon minsan sa bubong. Ayun pa oh. Grabe. Mga ipot. Ayan. Naiwan ako dito sa loob guys kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Hindi ko kinakaya. Kaya siya na lang. Nagka-car wash na siya. Oh. Traffic! Nandito na kami guys sa Decathlon. Oh. Yung mall dito guys, sobrang haba. Hanggang doon. Diba? Sobrang haba guys. Ganyan yung mall dito. Napaka-traffic! Oh my God! Nandito na kami sa Decathlon. What? What? Old bike?
Like this, when I was living in Amsterdam, it was my first bike was like this.
Oh, really?
I bought it like for 50 euros.
Tignan nyo to. Gusto niya daw bumili ng chair para daw habang nagba-barbecue
I would get two.
while drinking beer. Yeah.
Or like in the summer, we could sit outside.
Exactly. It's very nice. When we're traveling.
But this is not so comfortable.
What do you want? 19 euros. That one is 12. It's hot? Ano pa yung nandito? Oh, mga pang-camping. Ayan. Ayan pa.
It's a V1. This is more comfortable, more relaxing. If I could just sit down. You just fall down.
You're
no?
crazy.
It's so easy. Not my thing.
Let's go there.
So difficult.
Wala kami nahanap guys dun sa Decathlon, so umalis na kami. Dito na kami sa labas. Naghanap pa siya ng ibang shop. Palabot na yung camera ko, 8% na lang. So, update ko na lang ulit kayo mamaya. Bahay na kami guys. Kakawin lang namin. Wala kami nahanap na pang-grill. Baka mag-order na lang kami sa Amazon. Kasi, dalawang shop na yung pinuntahan namin. Wala talaga. Ayun na kasi malaki kasi walang mapaglagyan. So, yung hanap lang talaga namin, yung na-fold. So, mag-check kami sa online. Ano muna ako ng labada namin. Kasi, doon na kami damit. Yung asawa ko magluluto na ng dinner namin. That's it. Pansit. Only this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, still have. So, magtitimpla tayo ng decaf coffee, guys. Ay!
Good. Bravo, bravo, boss. Bravo.
Naglagay ako ng tubig, hindi pa pala kumukulo. Hindi ko pa pinakuloan. Bobo. Lutan.
Wait.
I gonna cook pasta, guys. Ayan. It has turned to cook because day off niya. Ayan. Pag hindi naman niya day off, ako yung nagluluto. Mostly. Ayan. No, babe? Tapos gumawa ulit ako ng bagong coffee ko. Birthday ng lola ko ngayon, guys. Pero yung mama ko, hindi siya nag-update. Nasa Sambales siya. Doon ako lumaki. Share ko lang. Siya yung nagpalaki sa akin. 84 na ata siya.
This.
Going stronger. Mahaba yung mga boy nila kasi. Alam niyo ba yung lola ko? Yung pinakananay ng lola ko, namatay yung 94. Namatay siya sa katandaan daw. Ganun. Tapos yung tenga nila malalaki. Kasabihan kasi sa kanila, pag malaki yung tenga, mahaba yung buhay. Ewan ko kung totoo yun. Depende. Naantok ako, guys, kaya nagtipla ko ng kape. Parang wala naman na yung parang hindi na siya kape, gatas na. Kasi walang kalasa-lasa yung decaf coffee. Luto na, guys. I-rate ko daw. Until what? 10? 10?
What then?
Rating?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you call this? Yummy.
Really?
I didn't taste
I thought you didn't like it.
I'm just pranking you. It's a prank. So nice.
Really?
Sarap.
Because you're filming now, or?
No. I'm not joking. It's really good. Sarap, guys. You know what I like? Because there's is this pork or beef?
Beef.
Beef. This one. And cheese. So
Blue cheese.
blue cheese and this one.
You like blue cheese?
No, not bad. Sarap. Tell them masarap.
Masarap.